just gonna walk. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay guys, we're trying the trial out. Oh my gosh, it broke. Yeah, we'll fix it later.
Oh, we don't really have good luck right now. We don't have good luck because
God said luck doesn't work.
Okay, let's see if our luck will change because this is not really going good. Got a pink one.
Wow, it's all in Japanese.
Watashi wa star. We will translate it on Google.
Sinira ni Kuya Maya. You should buy me a wallet.
Oh, I should have given you my other one.
Yeah. I'm gonna get one too.
Can you hold the other? I'm gonna translate. We'll do it later. Okay, we'll translate it later, guys. Okay, we'll tell you. Wait, what if I just... Whatever. It's fine.
Okay. Fix my wallet now.
I can't...
I don't have any more wallets. Okay guys, there's a sahana here at the Terminal. Hindi na siya gawin, but this is Saha Casa. And we're gonna go to Nara Park next. See you there. Okay guys, we're at the Nara Park station. We'll take a picture there. And yeah. Okay guys, this is awesome. No.
Does your head fit? Is it stuck?
You bow. Ay! Oh!
Wow.
She said bow again. Bunch of fakers.
It doesn't like
Sabi niya, you're a deer also.
Okay, let's
Stop
go,
pretending.
let's go.
Bye-bye. Let's go. Okay guys, we're here at the Nara Park.
Yeah.
Let's go.
No, give me money.
Oh my gosh. These are the meals. What is this? Look at the deals.
Oo.
Oh my gosh.
Doon tayo sa loob, sa park.
Ang daming deers. Para silang statue. Pero tutulog lang sila. Oh, cute. Okay, we're here at the Nara Park. Okay, so mabaho na siya. Puro tayo na ng deer. Oh, cute. Okay guys, look at the deers. There's so many. Oh my gosh. So cute. Aww. Boy yan eh.
Labi, ayaw niya.
Matara yung mga boy.
Ayaw niya. Wala kasi tayong pagkain. Ayun o, bumibili nga ako kasi sold out. Meron pa ba? Ayan o. Nakakamoy nila. Ayan o, parang nagbaw na sa iyo.
Hindi, nangati lang oh.
Ayan o. Oh my gosh. Wow, like at this. tawag ng deer?
Bow.
Ano naman yan? Ayaw niya naman. They don't have any wafer.
Okay guys, so look at the deers. They're so cute. But the poop is everywhere. And they're tired. I think it's their resting time. That's why there's no food. Aww. The poop is everywhere.
One home.
How? We should bring one. How was the experience?
Good.
But their poop is everywhere. That's why I look at their
Right?
Your
shoes still?
Yeah. But it's not that much. I already removed some. Oh, it's a grape. Look.
I thought it was an acorn.
Okay guys, we have a deer here. Hello!
Ay naman ako
Ang
guys.
ganito.
Ayan o, bili. Ayan. Ayan. Wait lang, ayaw. Hawakan ng camera.
Ay, nagbaw siya. Nagta-thank you kasi sila. They know how to thank you.
Buti pa yung deer, marunong mag-thank you.
Oo nga, buti pa yung deer, marunong mag-thank you.
Kaya nga.
Pakainin mo. Wala na nga eh.
Kainin mo.
Paying map. Magbaw-baw ka.
Map na lang eh, nagigipit.
Eto na.
Baw.
Ay, ka dito. Ay, ikaw.
Deer.
Yun na, pamay ba? Ayaw niya yun.
Deer, ayan o, malaking tinapay o.
Pamay mo yung
Deer, ito.
Try natin to.
May patis yun.
Ayun na, naamoy ka na dyan, pumupunta na sa'yo.
Try natin to, stick.
Kinain ko to, wala nang pagkain.
Dahon, ba? Kumakain ba ng dahon niya?
Ito kinakain nila kanina eh.
Sawa na sila dyan, gusto nila yung matamis.
Kuha kayo dahon.
Ay, pakita ko yung baby deer.
Kuha kayo dahon.
Ito oh.
Ayan o, lumapit na. Sa'yo, Jeff, meron.
Kagat ko.
Naamoy nila.
Cute.
Kala mo si Shaima lang yan. Deer yan, be.
Ay, lumapit sa akin.
Ayaw ata nila yan.
Stick na lang.
Ayan na!
Ayan na. Ayan na, Jeff.
Ay! Rejected!
Ayaw nila sa mga lalaki.
Okay guys, so after
Pababa nun.
so many hours. Yeah, sa right.
Tingnan mo, magkano?
I don't know. Oh, tingnan mo, opening no, until 7.
Sorry, yung kinuha.
Ayun na yun yung price of
Doon tayo sa
2,000.
malapit na bed.
And then we're gonna go to the Misaka Shrine. Kimono! Daanan na natin doon yung Shaka Shrine. Nandito na tayo. What's this? Guys, sayo. Okay guys, we're here. At the, I don't know.
Pababa yun?
No. Okay guys, we're here at the Okay, so you're gonna try the no, I don't know, the shave ice, the flavored one. And then we're here at the Saka Shrine. Oh, we're not allowed to eat here, but oh, it's Oz. Okay guys, we're walking up the Jian district. And then we'll go to the Hinanzaka for the old villages. But this is already the old villages, so I don't know what they're talking about. This one is nice. Shaved ice with a grape flavor. Yeah, we're here at Cheon. I don't know if we're gonna wear the kimono. Yeah, but we're just gonna enjoy this one. So, see you guys. Okay guys, we're here. Hoy, penge. Kaya nga, tapos gusto mo mag-taxi.
Gusto mo mag-taxi.
We're here guys. There, the pagoda. So tired. Wagyu dog. This is the old village and we're eating.
Wow.
We're drinking. We know that it is a disrespectful way.
Ben, I can knock on the door. Can I just put this in your Ben? Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu.
They have a kimono for men. Okay. I'll just check them up. Whoa guys, just look. That's nice. Wow, just wow. Okay guys, here walking at the Hinanzaka.
English pa talaga siya para maintindihan talaga naman.
What's this? No. No photos. Okay. Okay guys. Wow. Wow.
Wait. Maganda to.
Okay guys, so we're here with the baba. What's this? What food is this? Oh. Ah, yes, we're gonna chill finally. What's this one?
What is this? Apple custard.
Apple pie.
Wala na tayong ano kay Mono kasi anong oras na? Nasaan na ba yung Mono? Ha? Wag na?
Wag na.
Wala na.
Kaya nga.
Dito kayo sa Starbucks. Dito kayo sa Starbucks.
Finally! There's a trash! I'll save here.
Wait, what's this?
I don't know.
Is this nice?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, kimono rental is so expensive. Let's go to the Starbucks.
Let's go there.
Okay.
Starbucks?
So, yeah, look at the Starbucks. Okay, guys, we saw the Starbucks. The Starbucks. So nice. Pila.
Couple. So let's try.
What does it taste? Because it's a different flavor, I guess. Is it a matcha?
Yeah.
Nah, I don't like that.
No, it's not even. It's like barley.
Barley. Because it's matcha, that's why.
Ah.
Okay, it's a
God.
0 out of 10.
You know what I thought it would be like fried?
What
Fried
is
donut.
fried donut?
No,
I
it's
think
like
it's a mochi.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, bye guys. Okay guys, we saw the Ghibli one. But we're not gonna go. Because we're gonna go to Kobe. And we don't want, and after that we go to the Tonbori. So it's very different, tiring. Look at her.
Uy.
Over na.
Okay guys. We're trying the
Christina.
cheese croquette.
Today
Okay.
we are trying a cheese croquette from this lovely lady. Shall we try?
Was it nice? Let me try.
I thought it was gonna let me try again. It doesn't stretch. Oh, it does. Wait. Wow.
Wow. I like it. Not bad. What is a croquette?
Potato.
Oh, it's a potato. Look at Tita. Okay, now we're going to Kobe. See you guys. Okay guys, so we just arrived at the Kobe. And then I think we'll just eat Steakland. Should we go? Kasi 8 ang sarado niyan. Yeah. Let's go. Bila na tayo ng Steakland. Okay, the Steakland is here. Wait lang, hanggang 8 lang to. Okay, so we'll eat at Steakland. Oh, it's like boring. So it's like boring.
Miss Ina, how was your day today? I was thinking that after this we go to.
We're here at Steakland.
No, not Dotonbury. Dotonbury.
The Tonbori.
Tingnan mo yung ano, seafood. Kung gusto mo yung patingin ako menu. Ito yung may seafood cooked with butter.
Okay guys, look at our food. Our food is butter. Oh, here it is. Wow. I didn't. I just said yes.
It was just.
Okay, masyadong sarap pala nakakahiya.
Okay guys, let's go. Did you like the food?
It was really nice.
Yeah, but did you like how it
cooked.
was good?
It was.
No.
Not bad, because I think it's a fine dining.
Yeah.
Asan na si Kuya Jeff?
I don't know.
Where's the toilet? Oh, we can use the toilet as well. Jiro, are you...
Where should we go?
I want to go where? I want to go to a place where my meat doesn't move.
They don't want it to be well cooked.
I don't want my chicken to
Let's go here. Okay guys, this is the Kobe at night, but only at the station. Okay guys, we're here at Chinatown.
Diyan na kayo, diyan na. Kami na kayo.
我们是兄弟心相散，苦再来，要上走个呀，朋友啊，让我们一起牢牢铭记呀，我们英雄一起一场。
No pictures, please. No pictures.
Yay!
Are your lyrics correct?
I made them.
Mag-vlog tayo. Okay.
Okay guys, we bought here. Medyo masungit si Manong. He wants payment first. Mom, look at the pizza!
What's this?
This is like buche.
What's that? Translate?
Kumain
What's
kayo.
butcher?
Halika rito.
What's butcher?
There's no sa nagtitinda, nakatingin sa atin. Alam mo naman yung sabi. Sabi na magbigay ka muna ng pera bago ka buka. Sabi niya magbigay ka muna ng pera bago ka buka. Kung mahawakan mo yung
Hala kasi dito.
man lang natin kasi nakakaawa naman siya. Tinutulungan na nga natin siya.
Ito na. Yes.
Finish it. No,
Guys!
Taste the
Can you taste that? Uy.
Is it red
Ito,
bean
this is chicken.
or pork?
Pork.
Authentic yung buchini sa Chowking.
Tikman mo. Doon tayo sa gilid, nakakahiya tayo.
Spotlight tayo eh.
Dito pork red bean yan.
Is it red bean?
A taste test!
Pakagat ako sa buchi.
That's okay.
Ay, nakakuha na ako.
I want the book. What is this now?
These are buche. This is rice,
That's the rice cake.
glutinous rice. Wala nang ano. Mali yung dinala sa atin ni Camille. Di ba ito yun?
Ito yun. Mali daw. Ano yan? May 5 Chinatown dito. Tapos hahanapin natin isa-isa. Ay, chicken mo kayo dito. Ayoko na.
Oh, no.
I don't want it anymore.
I don't want that anymore. I don't want it. You should hold.
Okay guys, we're now here at Totonbori. Can we do a time check? It's already 10:40. Moray. Oh my gosh, here. We're here at the Moray. Okay guys, so we're at the Moray again, and tomorrow.
Sana ako na pupunta ng mga...
Sabihin nila.
Iba yung amoy ngayon, mababaho. Puro sigarilyo.
Natamari.
Puro yosi ngayon. Kasama natin, be.
Wala na.
Okay, nahanap tayo. Hey guys, we're just standing where the luggage transfer is. Yamato. Hey, Yamato. And yeah. Ayun yung karaoke, oh. Okay guys, so we're just rolling around Dotonbori. And look, the Ferris wheel again. Oh, it's our last day tomorrow and we haven't been here again. Kailan kami makakasakay dito. And we'll go to Don Quixote because we just want to.
You go, nigga. Oh. Like the food.
Look around, maybe your dad's there. Look around. Okay, so we're here. We're gonna go to the Don Quixote. Ay, may nakalagay pala sa taas. Hindi ko nakita. Na yun.
Is this the line?
Huh?
For the ride.
10 a.m. tomorrow. Yung